The question that I was investigating in my assignment was, do males' feet grow at the same rate as females from Year 5 to Year 8? The data that I used was sourced from the Australian Bureau of Statistics using the Census at School Australia. I originally asked for a random sample of 100, hoping for 20 from each sample group. However, this did not work, so I asked for 4 random samples of 26 from each group. Then I removed the 3 highest and 3 lowest foot lengths to remove any outliers. From what I had collected, I split the data into year groups and gender, as well as ordering them in foot length from lowest to highest. This enabled me to create the stem and leaf plots. The stem and leaf plots were hard to compare because most of the data was in the 20s. The tables I made did not really enable any easy comparisons to be made. However, they insisted in creating the double column graphs and the dot plots. The dot plots are also hard to compare, but do show higher frequency, which enables a distinction to be made between the data sets. The double column graphs are easiest to compare and show a clear difference. The male's foot length clearly progresses to a higher number when compared to the female's foot length. When creating a pie graph, I grouped the foot lengths in 3 cm gaps. This way there was categorical data to compare. The pie graph showed a clear progression of both males and females to larger foot lengths, but it is hard to determine the difference between the males and females. Using the pie graphs, I was able to identify the modal group as the group with the greater percentage. To calculate the range, I took the lowest foot length from the highest. The median number is the middle number of the sample when organized from smallest to largest. The mean is the addition of all the numbers in the sample and divided by the sample size. Both of these can be done using functions in Excel. From the graphs and analysis, it can be concluded that males' feet grow at a greater rate than females from Year 5 to Year 8. This can be particularly highlighted using the mean and median of the data. The results show that males' feet grow 0.89 cm per year and that girls grow 0.05 cm per year. This data could be used to predict the size of a person's feet are going to grow. This growth rate, however, is only a rough guide, and individual growth spurts will affect the accuracy of the predictions.